What up? Welcome to my tribe. Today I'm going to show you guys an inexpensive way to create tablet gloves. This is something that I figured out. I didn't even know it was a thing. I just did it because I was uncomfortable. My hand was sitting uncomfortably on my tablet. So I thought of this idea and I just recently YouTubed it, and there was a bunch of different things. A lot of them I didn't like. I liked the way that I did it a lot better. So yeah, let's just dive right in. So I went to Walmart and I bought these random gloves. They're too small for an adult hand. So if you find gloves that fit well for you, you can use those. So let's see what we got here. Alright, so we are going to just cut them. First, let me see. Always be careful using gloves, people. Using gloves. Using scissors, people. I'm gonna cut that tag off because that's annoying. It's one thing that I've learned is to only cut a little bit off, especially if your hands are bigger, because the fabric is going to stretch. All right, that's one glove. Let's try these bad boys on. All right, so that's that. Super quick, super easy. And you can open up your tablet and it glides very well over. It's very comfortable. So yeah, you guys try it out. Leave some comments. Tell me what you guys think about how it works for you guys. If you guys have any other gloves that you guys use that were better, this is just, like I said, an inexpensive way to create this. A quick thing that you can use from Walmart. You don't have to wait, for Amazon or whoever to ship it or pay a bunch of money. And like I said, these are very comfortable for me. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.